Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Toyota Corolla. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 208,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.